I had all 3 screws off.
Alright, they're all off the end here.
Now we're gonna get this thing
Is
off.
it not coming? Alright, maybe get a screwdriver in there to try to pry the end off.
I've got one.
Alright, go for it.
Oh, Jesus.
Alright, here's the situation. I've got this drill, which totally works except for the chuck. And I've tried to cut the chuck off. And I got most of it off, but there's still this big chunk here. So we were just taking the drill apart to see if we could somehow get access to this thing more easily without this part in the way, but it looks like that only happens if this is off. Anyway, I think it's time to just get artistic with an angle grinder. See if I can just start chipping away at this and get this damn thing off. Oh, theoretically, it should be able to unscrew, but it does not unscrew. I got the screw out of here. So the way these chucks work is first the chuck screws on there, and then a screw goes in, and the screw turns the opposite direction as the chuck, and that way it kind of stays on. So I got the screw out, no problem, but I could not unscrew the chuck. So yeah, I'm just trying to cut it off so I can put a replacement on it. Because it's a good drill other than the chuck. See a bit better what's in there. Okay, how do I cut all the way in that? Alright guys, just back up for a minute. Let me try to get this out of here. Alright, almost got this cracked apart. Nice. Oh, the threads inside look okay. Come on, get off. Alright. Nicked the threads a little bit with the cutter, but it looks like they're mostly intact. Hey Bells, you know your chuck we got at the store the other day?
Yeah.
Do you want to see if it fits on this drill? Wow, that is nice and shiny looking. Do you remember how much this cost?
$3 possibly?
$3?
Maybe, I'm not sure. I don't remember how much.
That totally fits.
You can keep it.
I can keep it?
Yes.
Do you want this drill?
Yes, I do want an electric drill.
You want this drill? It's all yours. On one condition. You let me borrow it once in a while.
Yeah.
Because this is actually the drill I was using to run the styrofoam grinder. Because it's the fastest drill that I own. Well, that you own now. Alright, your drill. Put your drill together. Man, that's a nice looking chuck. It's probably not the highest quality because it was like $3. Okay, this screw goes in here. Oh, see it?
Yeah.
The screw goes down there and you have to turn it backwards to tighten it. And then, yeah, we'll just double check that it works. Man, that worked out great. Here.
Backward cord.
All right, little miss, plug in your drill. Right there. All right, you know how it works?
Pull that.
Yeah, do it. Pick it up. Test it, make sure everything works. All right, now you know how to reverse direction. A little switch under there. Flip it over. Yeah, flip it to the other direction. Yeah. Now do it again. There you go.
That is doing
And
strong,
your chuck you got comes with a key, right? There's a key in this box?
Yeah.
Right there. Nice. Now we need to attach that to the wire to make sure it doesn't get lost. Other than that, let's do a little squirt of oil in here. Oh, let's just squirt some oil in there to make sure. Yeah, make sure it doesn't rust. You can wipe that off in a minute.
Alright.
Okay, we can zip tie that.
Gotta make sure it can.
Make sure it's long. Yeah, put it a little further. Put it like down here.
Alright, yeah, it's definitely gonna. Oh, wait. Zip
And then wrap the zip tie around a few times. Make sure you go on both sides. Here, let's see. Alright, that looks good. It's not gonna fall off. Cut the end off. You just use the pliers. Use the
Jaimie,
cutter
what?
part. Just have the zip tie. Cut it down here so you don't have a lot hanging off. Alright, test your chuck. Oh wait, wipe it off first. Grab this rag here. This is the oil rag. You'll notice that it is oily.
I have to short.
Yeah, so I use that to wipe
Short.
oil off tools all the time.
Old short.
That's actually my original Adventure Builder shirt. The original one.
It also oily.
Yeah, it's in there somewhere. No, you gotta wipe it off. Okay, tighten it. Here, just put don't put anything in it. Put that in there. Tighten it. Use your key. Go like this. Tighten it. All right, good. Just drill a hole here, not where the table is. We're off the table. Don't hit yourself. There. Are you going the right direction? No. So do your little flip for that's forward. So now you have to remember which way is forward and reverse. Wait, let go for a second. When you push the trigger, you don't have to push it all the way right away, right? Push it a little bit and it'll go slow because this is a pretty strong drill. Yeah, you should probably like have some ponytail stuff going on here. But we're just gonna pay attention right now. But yeah, whenever you're using a drill, you should keep your hair out of the way. Very good, very good. All right. Now remember, you have control. You have speed control based on how hard you pull the trigger.
I know it.
I know, you know, but you just practice. You gotta make some bits show up before you pull it back out. So drill for a few seconds in. Push down. Try to push straight down. Yeah. So that all those bits came out. Now go a little more. You can actually do a little more than that at a time. Don't put your hand on him.
Probably push poke.
You'll be through soon. Okay, go. Nice work. Give me some knuckles, drill girl.
Yep. I'm gonna put this down before I drill your hand off.
All right.
I'm not gonna drill your hand off.
All right. All right, where are you going to put your drill? In your toolbox? Hold on, there's one more thing you have to do. See if you can loosen that chuck that I tightened.
Which one's listening? Garrett?
Yeah, I'm going to be able to do it by hand. You got to get the key.
It's doing it well.
Oh, God, you get the key every time? Yeah. Need a little bit of help?
Yes, I do.
All right, hold the drill tight. There you go. It's actually not a bad chuck. It's pretty good. Once it's loose though, you don't need the key. You can just go like that. Yeah. Put that back in the things. Oh, this is the next guy to do. This 5,000-year-old ancient piece of history. Totally still works. The motor works and everything. It's got no reverse, but the chuck is stuck.